Welcome to Junk Journal July 2025. Let's dive into day one by grabbing our junk journals and our beautiful ephemeras, collected junks, bits and bobs, paper, ephemera and everything else, and dive into day one and the prompt of star. If you haven't started your junk journal for Junk Journal July, I will leave a link to how I made this journal for some inspiration in the description down below and the little info card if you want to check out the full process video and create alongside with me your own junk journal. Now let's have a little flip through and decide which page we're going to use for the first day of this daily junk journal challenge for July. I decided to just start with the front inside cover for a little title page for the journal before starting with today's prompt of star. So here I decided to just use the Junk Journal July header I created for our announcement video to use inside the cover. If you want to check out more information about the Junk Journal July challenge, I will also leave a link to the intro video. But basically it's just a challenge with different prompts I created. Normally Mac Journals is doing the challenge, but sadly she wasn't able to do it this July, so I decided to create a prompt list for all of us. You can find the PDF to download and print at home in the description down below if you want to take part in the challenge. And there are 31 prompts for the 31 days of July, where we all together create those daily little fun creative pages. I just sometimes think it's easier to have a little prompt and a starting point in a way for your creative adventure, especially if you aim for daily creative output. So can't wait to dive into this Junk Journal July challenge and fill up my beautiful junk journal. As I already said, you can also watch the video where I create this junk journal for the challenge if you want to get inspired what to include into your junk journal, and I can't wait to see all your beautiful progress. I decided to just have a look and share one of the entries for each day on my community tab to just share your beautiful creations with my community as well. So make sure to use the hashtag JunkJournalJuly 2025, as well as tagging me in the video description or anything that I can find your beautiful creations. So for the possibility to get featured. Besides the title page here, I added the Junk Journal July 2025 header and the little prompt list printable, and I decided to just add a little quote that reads, "Let's begin and get creative," because that's the main part for this challenge, just to incorporate some creative activities into your daily life. And I'm really excited to dive back in and create on a more daily basis, as well as share my daily creations with you on a daily basis. So I can't wait for this month full of creative adventure. If you want to join me on this creative adventure and create alongside with me, or just want to enjoy and watch it, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any creative fun in July or in the future. Let's just add some little stars and bits and bobs to spice up this title page before we flip over and start with our first prompt-based page in the Junk Journal July challenge. I'm really loving how this title page for the month turned out, and I can't wait to dive into our first spread for this Junk Journal July. So let's turn over the page and find the right one for the prompt of star for day 1. Here I just decided to use the next spread, and I had this kind of minimalistic Christmas wrapping paper laying around on my paper stash, and I thought it would be perfect with the dots and the stars on it for just the background of this page in a way. So most of the time I'm just going with the flow here. I'm just adding some stars onto this craft paper to cut them out for the spread, and just add as much as I like to the spread until I have a page I really enjoy. It's mostly that kind of process. Sometimes I have a completed page idea in mind when I start, but most of the time it's just, for junk journaling, it's always just adding stuff to the page and rearranging bits and bobs and just figuring out where everything goes. So here I'm just cutting out a bunch of these craft paper stars to add to the spread. After adding all those craft paper stars, I decided the page was a bit blank still, so there's something more needed. This is why I got out this little ephemera packaging I got a while back. It is universe and stars themed, so it kind of fits the vibe, and here I'm just rummaging through all the bits and bobs to figure out which astrological or old page kind of fits for the spread. Just adding something here and there. Like I already said, it's just kind of my process with those pages, adding things until it feels like those are complete. What is your junk journal process? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Are you planning ahead of times how your spread should come together and what you will use, or are you going with the flow and just adding one bit of paper or junk at a time, like I do here? Now let's add a little quote to tie everything together, which is just "Stars can't shine without darkness." Just a little cheesy, but also a little reminder that life is about the ups and downs, and you can't feel the ups if you don't live through the downs in a way. So if everything would shine like these stars, you wouldn't notice the shining part and the glowing if around that wouldn't be darkness in a way. I don't know if that's too philosophical, but I kind of like this quote, and I like to include some quotes in my junk journal spreads. So it just fits this spread, and now I just had to add my little star doodles I do on nearly every page I create. It just fits the theme, I guess. We're doing that now, and then this spread is already nearly ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this creative junk journal session with me. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative daily junk journaling adventure in July, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join me on this creative journey. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see all your beautiful creations. Happy Junk Journaling July. See you tomorrow.